Stop living for the weekend. If you're one of them, stop everything that you're doing right now and listen. All your life, you've been waiting for the weekend to come, to feel a little taste of what it is to have time for what you really like to do in life. But what if I tell you that if you're putting in the hours, the sacrifices, and you're making the right compromises right now, I mean right now. Not after an hour, not after one day, but now. If you're starting to build your side hustle, working every single hour that you have available in the week, including weekends, you will find that you're not waiting for the weekend anymore, and you will do what it takes to accomplish your goal, no matter what today is, Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday. The name of the day doesn't matter to you anymore, only the time that you can spare and use for achieving your goals. If you're thinking that you don't have a salary big enough to start a side hustle, just watch my last 2 videos when I talked about saving your money starting from an amount as low as just $1. Whatever kind of side hustle you're thinking of right now, you have to start. Well, if you're not sure and you don't have a hobby yet that you can transform into a side hustle and in the future is your main income, just search for a side hustle that you're interested in. And for sure, you will find everything you have to know about that hustle. I can't give you examples because maybe I'll give you the wrong ones that you're not interested in. So it's better for each and every one of you to search one by one, what are you really interested in? It has to bring you joy to do it. Not in the first days and months, but even after years. Only this way you'll be able to transform that side hustle into a real business. If you're doing it only for the money, sooner or later you will abandon when it becomes hard to do. If you're not sure which is best for you, try more in the same time. In no time, you will realize which one will suit you better, and you can start with that one. Don't be afraid to fail. I cannot stress this enough. Don't be afraid to fail. Failing is a way better life to live than doing nothing, waiting for the weekend and losing all your time on stuff that brings you nothing but just a little dopamine in your brain. Like saving and anything else you're starting in life, there's no need to start hustling all your free hours after your job. You can start with just 10 minutes per day. Today will be 10, tomorrow 20, the day after tomorrow you will become more interested in that hustle and you will want to make more time for it. Like any other thing in life, the most important part is to take action. The bigger the sacrifices, the bigger the reward. It's that easy. The more you sacrifice, the faster you achieve your goal. Now, if you're not already hating me and blaming me for saying all of this to you, realize that all I've said is for helping you to be aware of what you're doing with your time and, most important, your life. Try to imagine that if you're only living for the weekend and do nothing about achieving financial freedom and your goals, after years of living for the weekend, you will find yourself at 40, 50, and even 60. And guess what? Still waiting for the weekend to live. So start doing it now, because the best time to start is always now. That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and, of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.